Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use LinkedIn offline. You need to understand that you will be able to use LinkedIn offline primarily by downloading LinkedIn's learning content to your mobile device for later viewing or leveraging LinkedIn's QR code feature to make offline in person, connecting a translation theme to the platform as well. So what you could do is for an individual user, you could open a LinkedIn Learning app on your mobile device. So simply you want to make sure to go ahead and open the LinkedIn, and what you could actually do is you simply go ahead and click on My Courses tab, scroll down to the download section and find and view your downloaded courses and videos without an internet connections. After which you could also connect it with a LinkedIn's QR code, that is open a LinkedIn app on your mobile device and tap on the QR code icon in the search bar of the home page. So here you could see the QR code icon, or just tap on it. Here it is. Here is the QR code. And when you actually do this, you want to make sure to go ahead and tap on My Code to display your QR code. You could show the code to someone you meet in person who can scan it and find it connect with the LinkedIn. And this is how you could use LinkedIn offline. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.